Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this Yamaha MT-09 SP, registered the 2nd of March 2023 on a 23 plate, with just 361 miles from one owner, presented in the stunning Icon Performance SP livery. The range-topping MT-09 SP sits at the very top of Yamaha's hyper-naked lineup and comes loaded with premium factory specification. These include fully adjustable Öhlins rear shock, KYB fully adjustable front forks, Brembo Stylema radial front brake calipers, cruise control, Yamaha quickshifter up and down, and the lightweight CP3 890cc triple engine that delivers incredible torque and character across the rev range. The MT-09 SP is widely regarded as one of the most exciting and capable naked bikes on the market. Featuring a 6-axis IMU-controlled electronic suite including traction control, slide control, lift control, engine brake management, and multiple riding modes, all managed via a full-color TFT display. With Yamaha MyRide connectivity, it offers cutting-edge technology without losing its raw, aggressive feel. Comfortable enough for everyday riding yet devastatingly fast and engaging on twisty roads, this is a bike that truly does it all. This exceptional example will leave us fully serviced, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and the balance of Yamaha manufacturer's warranty remaining for complete peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142444 4448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk, or WhatsApp 073598 37799. Please note, there is a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for viewing, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.